Okay, we're going on the hunt. It's September 5th, and now it's about 1:59, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to June's. He's got a new cameraman today, so he's hoping that'll be some luck, because the other cameraman, no luck. Just little sow and cubs, and then a little bad boy, a little one. So we're hoping to get the big one. We're going to June's, and we'll see what it brings us. What do you think, Hunter? Think we got a chance?
Always have a chance when you're out in the woods.
Okay. All right.
There's Mary.
It was early September, and my Uncle Jamie was ready to cash in on his long-awaited bear tag. With his Hoyt bow in hand and my dad behind the camera, the brothers were ready to get the job done and bring home a nice black bear.
Should have been prepared. It's making them minor adjustments, thinking that's going to be all it takes to get the big boy.
Well, folks, if you want to see if those minor adjustments paid off, sit back, relax, and get ready to watch a truly amazing black bear bow hunt.
She's warm today.
Yeah, she is.
It's 2:15, September 5th. We got probably about a 73-degree day in the nest. Hopefully in a couple hours we can fulfill the lifelong commitment of 11 years of trying to get a bear. So, sit tight.
It didn't take long for a nice bear to come in, and for Jamie to realize that the distance between his dream of getting a bear and reality was only 20 yards. This ear-tagged bear didn't waste any time getting into the bait. But when it turned to start eating, it was easy to see that the tag in its ear wasn't the only thing that made this bear unique.
He's got a broken jaw.
After sizing up the bear and fighting off his nerves, Jamie grabbed his bow and decided it was time to take the long-awaited shot. The bear had no idea what happened, and it stood there for a while thinking about its next move. Now, my Uncle Jamie is one of the best shots that I know, but when the bear decided to grab a quick snack and head back into the woods, he had to look into the camera and admit what just happened. Now, I don't like to admit it all the time, but in this situation, my dad was absolutely right. As Jamie was switching the second broadhead over to the arrow that he wanted to shoot, still in disbelief over the miss, sure enough, the bear was coming back. After waiting 11 years for a bear tag, Jamie was being offered a second chance, and he knew that he needed to make this next shot count. It was do or die, and Jamie was at full draw.
I got him. I think I got him.
Second time's a charm. What stand did I tell you to go to?
I think I got him. I think I got him, baby. Did you see it go in?
I saw it go in. It's a good shot. But shh, let's listen. Let's listen to see.
Yeah.
We might have to give him some time.
Did you see it go in?
Yeah. Wait, it hit him. It hit him good.
Did it?
Yeah, it hit him solid. How come you were so high on the first one? Hey, did you bring your knife? I think I'm lucky.
I don't hear no moan.
No, he's running. But again, he might have. I heard that big crash back there. There was a big crash. Again, he could have been running through some things. But we gotta. What time is it? What's the time?
3:17.
Okay, we need to call. Who?
Hang on a minute. I gotta call. I have to call my wife.
Oh, Jesus. We're hunting.
I did it.
Hey, John,
I did it.
John or Jerry, you got that better?
Did it.
Hey, did you see he's got a tag in his ear? He's got a tag in his ear, and he's got something wrong with his jaw.
I did it.
Well, as you can tell, Jamie was pretty excited and ready to go find his bear.
Fred Bear, baby. Fred Bear. Fred Bear. Drill it and grill it.
Where's that arrow? Oh, yeah, I see it. Is that the one we hit it? Is that the one we hit?
That's my first one. Good blood right here.
Hang on, let me get you in there. Show me where the blood is.
Good blood right there. He's coming right through
Hang on,
here.
let's see.
He's coming right through here.
Let's see once. Where is it?
He's going right through here. He's got a tail going right through here.
Oh yeah, that's good blood.
There he is.
What?
There he is.
Where?
There he is. Right there. Right there. Right there, baby.
Woo!
Ooh, we got him. We got him.
Oh yeah, we got a bear.
Let me poke it. There he is, baby. Look at that. Look at the rage. Look at the rage Broadhead did right there. Look at the hole.
Is that the exit? Nope, that's the entrance.
That's the entrance hole. The new rage.
Go ahead, tell me.
I'd like to thank everybody that made this possible. My cousin Dana, that we hunted for 2 days hard and we couldn't land one in. We couldn't get one in. We were sitting at the wrong stand. We were playing the wind. And
How about your masturbator?
hey, I want to thank my masturbator, that's for sure. He's an old geezer, but he's a hell of a masturbator. And thanks to everybody that helped me with this. This is a prize, baby, right here. This is a prize. I waited 11 years for this. 11 years. And thanks to everybody that made it happen. And Mike, thanks a lot, man.
We got it.
I needed a camera guy.
2 for 2,
it.
baby.
We're 2 for 2. got a tag in his ear. He's got a tag, so that must mean he's maybe a nuisance bear, I don't know. But here we go. What do you think? What do you think? The old Rage did a number, didn't he? He didn't go very far. He probably went only 30 yards, if that.
Yeah, there it is, buddy.
Break time.
There's that bear.
Think? Here it is. Yes.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like this video, leave your comments, click some of the links to see more from Northern Wisconsin Outdoor Adventures, and don't forget to subscribe to my outdoor channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.